Using slicing, we can return a range of characters. First, I'm going to create a variable like this, name equal, I give my name is Leonardo, right? And I use print. Now we want to get the range of the name. Therefore, we should give the variable name like this. After that, use square brackets to give the range, right? This is first value. First value represents the start point, right? And put the column, and now you should give the end point, right? This value represents the end point. I give it 6, right? Like this. Range square brackets 3, 6, right? This is the start point, right? This is the start point, and this is the end point. This is the end point. But it gives 3 to 5 letters, right? 6 not included. Output gives 3 to 5 letters. It never gives 6th letter, right? How? Let's print. Output is RI. Okay. The name is Leonardo, right? This is the variable, right? We can be indexed this name like this. This is the 0 position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay. It should be beginning from 3rd position. 3rd position's letter is R. Now 4th, I. 5 hasn't any letters because we have the space. Range count the space also, right? That's why it gives only RI, right? Therefore 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, L should be 6, right? If we give 7, I think it should give the L, right? 6, it counts spaces as well, right? If you give the range like this, now it gives the letter range from the beginning, right? Now it should give I, S, U, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Not included 5, it should give easily. Let's say it's 5, it should give easily, right? Okay. And if you give the range like this, 2 and this 2 beginning from 2, end is null, okay, end is empty. Now it gives the letter range from second position, 1, 2. It should begin from U, right? U, R, I, space, again. It should give this. If you give this, the output should be like this. See, in this case, it should give the letter from 2 to the end. 2 to the end, right? 1, 2, 2 to the end. See, let's try negative indexing. We can represent negative index like this: -5 to -2. When we give the range like this, we should index the value like this. How? In this case, we are starting the indexing from the end. As well as we give the minus values beginning from -1. This should be -2, like this. 2, 3, 4, 5 is this, right? -2 this, but not included -2, right? Then it should print ANA. The output should be ANA, right? Let's see it. -5 to -2. Let's run it. See, ANA. Now you can try this according to the positive values. Okay? Just write yourself. If you get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching us.